Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design a logo with using rectangular tools. Also I will show you how to add gradient color in this logo. Make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information that you find it in the tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. First take a rectangle tool, and draw a square. Now copy the square by holding Alt. Make the square half. Now match the square with half square. Take a rectangle tool, and draw a square like that. Okay, that's good. You can also copy by pressing Ctrl+C plus Ctrl+F. Rotate it. Now select the All Objects. Take a Shape Builder tool, and delete the extra part of the square. Select the square, and take Move tool. Make the square corners little crooked. Select all objects, and copy it by pressing Ctrl+C plus Ctrl+F. Take the Move tool, and select the square part. Make these little crooked like this. Now select the All Objects, and take Shape Builder tool. Join one with another like this, do it carefully. Now make this logo colorful. Take rectangle tool, draw a rectangle equal to the artboard, and send it back. Thank you for your attention. I hope I helped with this video. So don't forget to comment with valuable information that you find it. Push the like button, and subscribe my channel if you didn't yet. See you in another video.